Hello friends, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Save water, every drop is precious. Hello friends, use a bucket and mug to take a bath. It saves a lot of water. Hello friends, always close the tap when not in use. Do not let water go waste. Hello friends, use a watering can to water plants. Save water and help plants grow.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about tips to save water, which is very important for our life. Children, water is very precious and we should not waste it because we need water for drinking, cooking, cleaning and many other daily activities. Children, instead of using a shower, we should use a bucket and mug while bathing because it uses less water. One important way to save water is to turn off the tap while brushing our teeth. This helps us avoid wasting water. Children, we should always close the tap properly after using it and make sure no water is dripping. Children, today we learned how to save water in simple ways. I hope you understand this chapter and follow these habits in your daily life.
Hello friends, this is a car. It is near me, so we say this is a car. Hello friends, that is a tree. It is far from me, so we say that is a tree. Hello friends, this is a bag. It is near me, so we say this is a bag. Hello friends, that is a hut. It is far away, so we say that is a hut. Hello friends, this is a rat. It is near me, so we say this is a rat.
Hello friends, that is a cup. It is far from me, so we say that is a cup.
Hello children, welcome back to our English session. Today we are going to learn a new concept called this and that. For example, look at this picture. This is a car. The car is near, so we say this is a car. Now children, we use the word that when the object is far from us or at a distance. Children, look at another example. This is a bag because it is near, but that is a hut because it is far. So remember, this is used for near objects and that is used for far objects. Children, look at another example. This is a mouse because it is near, but that is a cup because it is far. Children, today we learned how to use this and that correctly. I hope you understand this concept clearly.
Hello friends, I am number 9393. I come after 92 and before 94. Let us learn me together. Hello friends, let us count together 1, 2, 3 and keep going until we reach 93. This means 93 objects.
Hello friends, I am number 9494. I come after 93 and before 95. Let us count together and learn more.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn two new numbers, 93 and 94. Are you ready to learn and count? Children, let us begin with number 93. This number is written as 93 and it comes after 92 and before 94 in counting. Now children, when we count pencil colors and reach 93, we say 93. This means a group of 93 things together. Let us move to the next number, which is 94. This number is written as 94 and it comes after 93 and before 95 in counting. Now children, when we count candies and reach 94, we say 94. This means a group of 94 things together. Children, today we learned about numbers 93 and 94, their position and how to count them. I hope you understand this chapter clearly. Keep practicing at home.
To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog. To market, to buy a plum cake. Home again, market is late. To market, to buy a plum bun. Home again, market is late. To market, a gallop, a trot. To buy some meat to put in the pot. 3 pence a quarter, a groat a side. If it hadn't been killed, it must have died.
Hello, I am a sphere shape. I am round and smooth.
I have no corners.
Hi, I am a ball. I look just like a sphere. I can roll easily. Yummy! I am a laddu. I am round and sweet.
Hello, I am a globe. I am round like the earth.
Hi, I am a marble. I am small, shiny, and round. Kids play with me. Hi, turn. I got it on. Yay! I am a lollipop. I am round on top. Kids like eating me.
I am a sphere. Things that are round from all sides are called sphere-shaped. We can roll because we are round. Yes, we have no edges and no corners.
Very good, children. A sphere is a round shape. It has no corners and no edges. It can roll easily. Objects like ball, laddu, globe, marble, and lollipop are sphere-shaped. We see these shapes around us every day. Now think and tell me, which object is small and round? Good job. You are learning well. Today we learned about sphere shape. Always look around and find round objects.
Wow, Ria! Look, it's raining.
Yes, but where does this rain come from?
Good question. Let's find out.
Look, the sun is shining.
When the sun heats water in rivers and seas, it goes up into the sky.
Oh, so water goes up.
Yes, it becomes water vapor. Then it forms clouds.
And when clouds get heavy,
It falls down as rain.
rainwater goes into rivers and lakes, and then the sun heats it again. So it happens again and again. And this is called the water cycle.
Hello kids. The water cycle is how water moves in nature. The sun heats water and it goes up as vapor. It forms clouds, then falls as rain. Water collects again and the cycle repeats. Now tell me, what makes water go up? What do we call falling water from clouds? Excellent! Today we learned about the water cycle. It is a continuous process in nature.
Ria, look at these cute foxes. Let's count them.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Wow, that is 40. Aman, number 40. Spell as F-O-R-T-Y.
40. Ria, look at these balls. Let's count them. Yes, let's start. 10, 20, 30, 40 and one more.
That makes 41.
We did it!
Ria number 41. Spell as F-O-R-T-Y-O-N-E.
Very good, children. The number 40 is written as F-O-R-T-Y. When we add one more, it becomes 41, written as F-O-R-T-Y-O-N-E. 40 means 4 tens and 41 means 40 plus 1. Now tell me, what is the number name of 40? What comes after 40? Today we learned number names 40 and 41. Keep practicing counting at home.
Ria, look at this ant. Should we say a ant or an ant? I think it is an ant. Why an? Because ant starts with a vowel. Look, elephant. We say an elephant. Now train. That is a train.
Oh, so
We use an before vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. And a before other sounds. Mango. That is a mango. Bee, a bee. Inkpot. That is an inkpot.
Very good, children. We use letter A before words that start with consonant sounds. We use an before words that start with vowel sounds. For example, an ant, an elephant, an inkpot, a train, a mango, a bee. Now tell me, do we say a elephant or an elephant? Do we say a mango or an mango? Today we learned about a and an. Keep practicing with new words.